Alexa, open my BMW.
Welcome to the My BMW skill. What would you like to do with your 3 Series?
Alexa can check in her car, but let's go the other way. Let's put Alexa inside your car. First step, grab your phone.
Watch, Jimmy. When you dial, you should make sure you bring your...
For this example, we'll use my 2022 BMW M340. Open the BMW app. On the bottom right, go to Profile. Select the top option, Alexa Car Integration. Hit Connect. Here you'll enter your Amazon login information. Use location for more features. Back at the BMW app, hit Alexa Language, then choose your language. Then toggle Share Location. Alright, so that concludes the first half of the setup. In your car, go to Settings. General Settings. Personal Assistant. Voice Control. Double check these 3 are selected. Go to Wake Word. Check the top option. That should be it. Now you have a second voice assistant. A third if you use Apple CarPlay. Alexa, turn on the office lamp.
Okay.
Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 5:46 p.m.
Hey BMW, what time is it?
It is 5:45 p.m.
Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 5:46 p.m.
Hey BMW, what is my current range?
The remaining range is 374 miles.
Alexa, what year did the movie Rush Hour come out?
From wikipedia.org. Rush Hour was released on September 18, 1998, grossing $245,300,000 worldwide.
Hey Siri, what year did the movie Rush Hour come out?
Rush Hour was released on the 18th of September 1998.
Alright, for all the camera nerds, this video was filmed with the Sony a7C and the Sony a7 IV, both using Sony lenses. Thanks for checking out the video, talk to y'all soon, drive safe out there, thank you, bye.